NAVAD recruitment 2020 for specialist consultant posts. So guys, you are watching, this is the notification, recruitment notification from NAVAD. So let's check the details. So NAVAD important dates, starting date for submitting online application 7th of August 2020 and last date is 23rd August 2020. So vacancy details for project manager, application management 1 post, senior analyst, information security operation 1 post, senior analyst, network operation 1 post, project manager, IT operation infrastructure services 1 post, analysis come chief data consultant 1 post, cyber security manager 1 post, additional cyber security manager 1 post, additional chief risk manager 2 post, risk managers, credit risk, market risk, operation risk, compliance risk, ERMS and BCP 4 posts. So you are watching here link for NAVAD specialist consultant registration and NAVAD website. So you can visit the link in the description box I have given there. Just visit to apply. So let's see the salary for project manager, application management 3 lakhs, for senior analyst, information security operations 2.50 lakh, for senior analyst, network operations 2.50 lakh, project manager IT operations 2.50 lakh, analyst come chief data consultant 3.7 lakh, 75 lakh, cyber security manager 3.75 lakh, additional cyber security manager 2.50 lakh, additional chief risk manager 3 lakhs, risk manager 2.50 lakhs. How to apply? You can apply online for the post through official website nava.org from 7th of August 2020 to 23rd August 2020. So eligibility criteria for project manager, application management, bachelor master degree in computer science, information systems, engineering, management degree with hands-on experience of coding, etc. Minimum 7 years of graduates and 5 years for postgraduates. For senior analyst, information security operations, bachelor master degree in the field of computer science, IT, cyber security, minimum experience of 5 years for graduates and 3 years for postgraduates. Senior analyst, networks, set 1 operations, bachelor, master or master of engineering, computer science or information engineering, EC or any engineering with required network certifications, minimum experience of 5 years for graduates and 3 years for postgraduates. Project manager IT operations, infrastructure services, bachelor master in engineering in computer science, information system, EC, minimum experience of 7 years for graduates and 5 years for postgraduates. Analyst come chief data consultant, bachelor degree in computer science, engineering, mathematics, statistics, minimum experience of 7 years for graduates and 5 years for postgraduates. So the another one, cyber security manager, for this eligibility criteria is bachelor master degree in IT computer science, minimum experience of 7 years for graduates and 5 years for postgraduates. For additional cyber security manager, bachelor degree, master degree in IT computer science, minimum experience of 5 years for graduates and 3 years for postgraduates. For additional chief risk manager, graduate, postgraduate in economics, statistics, finance, business from a recognized university, masters in management, MBA, PGDI or CACS, overall minimum 10 years experience in banking, financial sector and insurance, BFSI. For risk managers, credit risk, market risk, operation risk, compliance risk, ERMS and BCP. Graduate, postgraduate in economics, statistics, finance, business from a recognized university, minimum 5 years experience. So selection process for NAVAD specialist consultant post, the candidates will be shortlisted for interview in the ratio of 1:10 on the basis of qualification, experience, etc. The roll numbers of candidates shortlisted for interview and subsequent selection shall be published on bank's website, which www.navad.org.